What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Road to Millionaire Retirement. My name is Andrew, and thank you for checking out this channel and watching this video. So it's end of the week. That means I need to do my weekly report of my portfolio, and so far it has been doing pretty good. So let's just jump right into it. So last Friday, the May 21st, we closed at 113,434. And Monday, when the stock market opened, we closed at 114,700. So we're looking at about 1,300 gain, which is pretty good. $1,000 plus in one day. I think that's about a little more than 1%, or about 1%. So that's good. No complaint there. Tuesday, 25th, we gained about $9. So that pretty much went nowhere, but it didn't go down. So if it didn't go down, it's a plus for me. It's a win for me. I can't really complain. But starting Wednesday, it started to kick off. Like from Wednesday, we gained about $800 or $750, and Thursday about another $500, and went Friday a little over like $200. So doing the math real quick, closing on last week Friday at 113,000. The week from 24 to 28, I gained about $3,000, which is almost $3,000, which is pretty impressive because $3,000 in one week, that's a lot of money in one week. But granted, stock market is not always about gain. There are times that the stock market will go down, and you can see in this graph from May 7 to May 12, in this 5-day period, I think this was Friday, and this is May 12 is the Wednesday. So the first half of the week here, my portfolio dropped almost about $5,000 in about 3 days. So as you can see, stock market goes up and down all the time. If you're listening to this and you're new, I would recommend investing in stock market for the long game. If you're in it for long term, then you are more likely to succeed with the gain rather than trying to either time the market and trying to get in when it's low, or if you're trying to play high risk and high reward and trying to win big bucks in short time period. You could win a big amount of money in short term period, but that comes with extremely high risk. I'm a very active user in a subreddit regarding anywhere from the investment to retirement and to Wall Street bet. And I've seen a lot of people that with, especially with the AMD gain over the second half of the week, people have gained a lot of money, like anywhere from tens of thousands to even over $100,000 in just 3 days period. There's that good side where you are able to win a lot of money, but you have to understand, on the other side of that coin, there are people out there that loses tens of thousands, $100,000 of amount of money, and you may not see them that often, but I come across them because like I said, I'm an active user and I go through these pretty often, and there are posts out there that shows people losing a lot of money. So you have to decide, you have to know what your risk tolerance is, and you have to understand what you are willing to lose, because not everybody comes out winner. There are a lot more loser than the winner if you're going for high win, high reward. And that's just from what I've seen, and I feel like that's extremely true because that's kind of what every investor will tell you. Now, with that said, I do want to go over and show you guys my AMC, because I believe my AMC, from these 3,000 gain, I think AMC contribute good portion. So let me just show you guys what my AMC is. So my AMC gain so far for this week has been 38%, which is about $724. Not last week, but beginning of this week, this was in negative. I'm not sure how much because I don't keep track of AMC, or I didn't, because AMC was such at the bottom of my lookout that I didn't really bother to check how low it was or how much loss it was. So I want to say like maybe it was like couple hundred, like maybe 200-300, and now it's up to 724. I mean, on Friday, like it was up to $36, so this gain would have been over. I want to say like pretty good amount, like. But at the last second half of the day, the stock market AMC just kind of took a dive. But plus is plus. I'm not gonna argue with that. AMC has contributed like $724 out of that 3,000, so it did heavy lifting, and I'm very grateful that AMC is kind of bouncing back. I don't plan to hold this for long term, but we'll see how that goes. Anyway, if you guys have any question, comment below and I will try to answer them on next video or on your comment section. If you guys like to see my journey to $1 million retirement hit mark, then subscribe so that way you guys don't miss out on future videos. That's gonna be it. Thank you again. Hopefully our stock market growth continues starting the next month. Thank you again and have a good holidays.